Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to the Army Public School and College Girls Campus, Jihlam, Kent. I hope you all are fine and ready to learn today. So, today we are going to learn a very important English grammar topic, that is infinitive of purpose and linkers of purpose. This lesson will help you to understand why an action is done and how to explain the reason correctly in English. So please listen carefully and enjoy the lesson. So students, let us start with the infinitive of purpose. Infinitive of purpose tells us why something is done. It answers the question why. We make infinitive of purpose by using to plus base form of verb. For example, when we say why we study or why we go somewhere, we often use to with a verb. So remember, infinitive of purpose shows the reason for an action. Now we will learn some grammar rules. The structure is very simple. Subject plus verb plus to and base verb. Always remember, after to, we use the base form of the verb. We do not add s, ed or ing. For example, I read to learn. Here, learn is the base verb. This structure is very important for exams. Here are some examples of infinitive of purpose. I go to school to learn. She drinks milk to stay healthy. He runs fast to win the race. In all these sentences, to plus verb tells us the reason. That is why these are examples of infinitive of purpose. Now let's learn about linkers of purpose. Linkers of purpose also tells us why something is done, but they connect two ideas in one sentence. Common linkers of purpose are so that and in order to. We use linkers of purpose when we want to explain the reason more clearly. Now let us understand the grammar rules. So that is followed by a subject and a verb. It means a complete sentence comes after it. In order to is followed by a base verb just like infinitive. For example, I study so hard I get good marks. He woke up early in order to catch the bus. So always look at what comes after the linker. Now let us see some examples. I speak loudly so that everyone can hear. She studies hard so that she gets good marks. He woke up early in order to catch the bus. We wear a coat so that we stay warm. The teacher explained again so that students understand. In all these sentences, the reason is explained clearly using linkers of purpose. Students, now it is your turn to practice. Sentence 1. I study dash to get good marks. Here only a verb comes after the blank. So the correct answer is 2. Sentence 2. She runs fast dash win the race. Again, a verb comes after the blank. The correct answer is 2. So students, to conclude, always remember that we use to plus verb for the infinitive of purpose. We use that plus sentence or in order to plus verb for linkers of purpose. Hope all of you have understand the lesson. Keep practicing at home. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.